Hey developers, did your app get rejected by Apple? With this error, your app generates a random image rather than a cartoon version of the uploaded picture. Actually, I got this issue in my application, in which I can convert selected image into the Ghibli style image, and I got that issue from the AppleReview team. So don't be panic. In this video I will break down what went wrong, why Apple flagged your app, and how you can fix it the right way and get approved fast. So what this rejection means? This means your app promised to cartoonify the user's uploaded image, maybe in an anime or Ghibli style, but the output did not actually use their image. Instead, it looked random, unrelated, or generic image. That's a big problem for Apple. It breaks the user trust and counts as misleading functionality or a bug. So why this happens? Let's talk about what could be going wrong under the hood. Like related to image not properly sent to the backend, AI model ignoring the input, default prompt used or incorrect prompt used, random seed image shown, upload failed silently. In many cases, it's a missing connection between the front end and your model or image to image pipeline. Or it could be a fallback behavior you forgot to remove. So how to fix it? Here's how you can fix it multiple ways depending on your setup. Use the uploaded image properly. Make sure you are sending the actual user image to your AI model. Reduce randomness. Set a consistent seed value, reduce prompt variability, and lower denoising strength so the output respects the original image. Show the upload progress. Show the uploaded photo to the user. Add progress indicators so it's clear the app is transforming their own picture. Update your app description. Don't forget your app store description. If your app does not generate an exact cartoon version of the image, say that clearly. Also, you can add correct test scenarios in the review notes, and you can also attach the test images within the review notes for the AppleReview team. Or if your application is correct, then you can reply to their feedback. When you resubmit, tell the Apple reviewers what you fixed. For example, you can write, "We fixed the issue where the generated image did not reflect the user's upload. The cartoon version now accurately uses the uploaded photo. Please try uploading any image," or you can also provide test image to Apple in review notes in app description page. You can write this within the review notes on click of app description within the AppStoreConnect portal. So that's it. Thank you.